Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Jetstar. Well, the correct pre-sale is nearing. It's just another 4 days left for the pre-sale to happen. And a lot of people have a lot of queries in terms of how the process would be and how the KYC will be done and what is the steps that you need to follow while you're updating the pre-sale details. In this video, we're going to run through that on a demo. And this is Mr. Aslan. Crypto education is my passion, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So please ensure that you do your own research before you get into any token. In this video, we're going to run through the entire actual process of how it would be when you're filling the correct pre-sale form. And this would be done in conjunction with SumSub because they are the partners whom Jetstar has gone ahead with a collaboration with in terms of completing this KYC process. The first and foremost thing that you will have to enter is the email ID for your email ID. In fact, once the portal opens up on 17th at the time of pre-sale, you'll have to first enter your email ID, post which you would have to connect your wallet. After the connection of the wallet is done, you would have the phone verification that you will have to do. The telephone verification would be done through an OTP. So you would have to have your mobile phone with you. Given the put and punch in your cell phone number and you will get an OTP. Just put down the verification code and that's it, you're done. After which it's just an identity document that you will need to upload. The country over here is automatically chosen based on your IP address, so that's something that you need not worry, and that's a savior in time, in fact. And next, it depends on each of the ID cards, the passport, the driver license, or residence permit, whatever you have as proof of address and proof of identity that you can go ahead and upload. Now I go ahead and choose an ID card. It gives you certain demos of how the photograph and the ID card needs to be. Now I have quoted this in my earlier videos as well. Ensure that the words and your photograph are legible, especially when you're taking photos through your phone camera, because it tends to happen that the edges of the photograph might be a little blur. But ensure that you take a proper photograph, or better yet, scan it. Use any scanning apps on your mobile phone, scan your cards. So I'm just going to upload some dummy documents over here and just to show you the process, guys. There you have it. I've just uploaded two dummy documents, and it also gives you a notification to ensure that your documents that you have uploaded are clear and legible and easy to read. Next, you just click on confirm and proceed. And here is where you need to take a selfie on while you are doing the pre-sale process. So ensure that you also have a good internet connection, guys. Click on I'm ready. Allow. If you're using a browser, you might have to give it a permission. Here you go. Yeah, that's me. You can have a look at it. You can, I think you'll just have to move closer. It automatically clicks a photograph of yours, and you just need to move your head in the circular fashion. That's it. Okay. Yeah, done. I think it's processed. That's it. You're done. This is your KYC process and it's completed. Now the verification status will update automatically. It might take a few seconds, I believe. And once it's done, it's over. Now, this is what is the message that you would be getting after completing the entire process of the KYC. Now, if at all your document is verified, you would be having a green tick and having a confirmation that yes, your verification process is completed. If not, this is what you would be ideally receiving. Now, it may not be the exact message because this is just a demo of how the process entirely works, but you would be receiving a message or a pop up stating that your process was unsuccessful and probably some kind of indication as to what you need to do in terms of changes. Else, you will have to follow the entire process once again. One more thing that I want to also make a note over here is that in this particular demo, I have shown you the a process of updating the identity document, that is a proof of identity alone. There will be also an option where you have to upload your address proof as well. So one is your POI, or the proof of identity, and the other is the POA, that is the proof of address. So both this will be updated over here, and that is when the KYC process is completed. So it's just one more time that you just need to go ahead and upload any of the documents that you have regarding your proof of address. This is all you need to do in the KYC process. Pretty simple, right? It's just 2 to 3 steps that you need to just go ahead and follow, and that's it. You're done. And after this, I guess, at this particular stage is where you will go ahead and also select the slots and the number of or the tires that you want to go ahead and choose. After which, you will also go ahead and make the payments. During which time, I believe this entire verification would have been completed. So this is how the entire process of KYC would be, guys. More details will be shared in the coming days. So stay tuned for the videos on my channel. Thank you so much. Have fun and take care.